In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF file on your Android phone. Editing PDFs on a computer is pretty common, but doing it on your phone can be just as easy once you know where to tap and what to look for. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the whole process step by step so you can quickly make changes, add notes, or sign documents right from your Android device. First, unlock your Android phone and make sure you're connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type PDF Editor or the name of a trusted PDF editing app you prefer. You'll see several options appear. Choose a well-reviewed app that supports features like text editing, highlighting, adding signatures, or filling out forms. Tap Install and wait for the app to download and set up on your phone. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. The first time you open it, you may be asked to allow access to your files or storage. Go ahead and grant permission so the app can find and edit the PDFs saved on your device. Without this access, it won't be able to load your documents. Next, locate the PDF you want to edit. You can usually tap an Open or Files button inside the app. From there, browse your recent downloads, your Documents folder, or any cloud storage services you've connected, like Google Drive. Once you see your PDF, tap on it to open it inside the editor. With the PDF open, explore the toolbar or menu at the bottom or top of the screen. This is where you'll find editing tools. Depending on the app, you might be able to add text boxes, highlight existing text, underline important sections, draw with a pen tool, or insert shapes and comments. If you're filling out a form, tap on the fields where information is needed and type directly into them. If you need to sign a document, look for a signature or pen option. Then either draw your signature with your finger or load a saved one. As you make changes, take your time to zoom in and check that everything looks right. Use pinch gestures to zoom and drag with your finger to move around the page. When you're happy with your edits, look for a Save or Export option. Save the file with a clear name so you can find it later, or choose to share it directly via email or messaging apps. And that's all you need to edit a PDF file on your Android phone.